Hey guys, this is a very exciting day for me. I'm at the Great Wall of China, but let me tell you, I almost didn't make it. I didn't check in advance how far is this meeting point, and so I was late 12 minutes. I had to run, but I don't know, by some miracle, I made it. So I'm here. Initially, I wanted to go to another area, which is more untouched, and you can see there and new parts that were restored, and like old parts of wall that wasn't. If you are planning to come here, it's very important to choose a part that you want to go. The most popular is Badalink, but the thing is, it's very crowded. Like these crowded pictures from the Great Wall, it's exactly you see probably from that point. Initially, I wanted to go to a pretty wild and untouched area. It's not so many tourists to that part, I want to say, but I managed to book one. And you know what? It was cancelled like literally last minute, and I didn't manage to book another one for the same day. So here we are. It's my last day in Beijing, and this is when I managed to book, but to another part, unfortunately. But I can't say that it's very crowded. So, like, in that sense, it's fine. I went to another part of the Great Wall. It's called Mutianyu. It's a little bit further from Beijing than Badalink. It's around 1.5 hours by bus, which isn't bad at all. It's exactly that time. Our tour guide explained us where it's better to go, how much time to spend, where to eat, and so on and so on. So it was very useful actually, and I think if I went by myself, it would be pretty confusing. It's not that crowded, and it's actually very scenery. So in Mitianau, there are two parts of the wall, the east and the west. Our guide told us to go to the east first to avoid a crowd and a big line for the cable car, because it's very popular part of the wall for Chinese tourists. He said that today in the morning it's 3,000 Chinese students come. So rather go there, and it's shorter. You just will spend an hour walking there, and then already go to the west. The west part is longer. It's around 2.5 hours if you go up, but you can come back at any time, obviously. And the thing is, yes, where I went first, yes, to the west, to the wrong side. And at first I couldn't even understand like why and how it happened. But the thing is, I came first to the wrong side, to the east, but just a Chinese man who was checking tickets, he told me, no, go there. And I was like, okay, he for sure knows better. And so I went, and now I'm in the line to a cable car, already around 20 minutes. And I think it's like 30 minutes more for sure. So don't make the same mistake as I did. Go in the morning to the east and just then to the west. To the west it's more like it's better scenery, it's better views apparently. But yes, it's very, very beautiful. And this part, I think it has initial parts of the wall. our guide actually told us that even though it's considered that the Great Wall of China is 21,000 kilometers, but it was measured around 10 years ago apparently, and they said that because it was lots of parts apparently were destroyed, and initially it was 55,000 kilometers. I didn't read about it, so I don't know how checked that information is, but super interesting. And definitely I would recommend to come here as early as possible. My tour was at 8 a.m. and basically I couldn't book anything even earlier, even though that's already quite early. And we came to the wall at around, like, let's say 10 a.m. Now I'm already a little bit up in the wall. Here it's way less people, so I'd also say that it's better to take pictures and videos when you're a little bit higher, as on the top it's just crowded. Can't say that it was crazy, but still it's already nice weather, and I think that tourism in China is like it's very popular to travel within the country for local people. And soon, I think the 1st of May, it's their long holidays. Today it's the end of April, so maybe tourists already coming. But yeah, also just because the weather is already really nice, it's warm during the day, it's around 25 degrees. In the morning and evening, it's slightly cooler. But yes, very, very beautiful place. I'm so happy I came. Okay, guys, my trip is coming to an end, and I highly recommend to come here. Like, really gorgeous, as you can see. The only thing I would recommend is to have really comfortable shoes, because you do need to walk a lot, and some steps are really steep, so keep that in mind, that some parts will be a little bit more challenging. But to be fair, it's lots of people with small kids, elderly as well, so in general I think it's not a problem, and just not everyone goes to the top. Also, rather take your water with you, or buy at the beginning of the trip before exit to the wall, because here actually I saw only one place where you can buy, and you easily can spend here, like, let's say 3 to 4 hours in one part, right? So think about it a little bit in advance. But anyways, I'm super happy with this trip. Um, it's really beautiful. I enjoyed that a lot. And now it's time for coffee and lunch. You also can actually eat here. And at the entry, you can buy some coffee. On the top, you also can buy beer, actually. So yeah, it's time to eat. See you guys. See you in the next one.